Hi everybody, welcome back to the Omagimura YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create this beautiful blue smoky cut crease eye look. Funny enough, this look wasn't supposed to be a video, but because of all the comments I got on this eye look in my Q&A video, I decided to take the footage that I filmed and use it to create a video. While I was shooting this video, they actually took lights, so that's why in some parts you'll see me talking, but just listen to the voiceover. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you always get notifications. So let us get started with this look. I'm going to be putting down a base of concealer. This is the House of Tara concealer. This is going to be my eyeshadow base, and I'm using a flat Sephora blending brush to blend it out. The first eyeshadow I'm going to be using is from the HVS Beauty Star Eye and Brow palette. I'm going to be taking the darkest brown shade in the palette. I decided to use this as my transition shade because I wanted to use a cool toned grayish base for the blue eyeshadow. The first shade I'm going to take is this Glam Girls matte blue shade. I'm going to be taking another blending brush and packing that on my lid. That's really below the transition and on the crease. Now I'm going to be packing it and blending it. I'm going to be doing this several times because I really want a really nice opaque blue look. So as you guys can see now, I'm blending out the first packing, the first application. Then I'm gonna go back and pack on some more eyeshadow, and then I'm going to blend it out. So if you really want a nice opaque look, especially when you're doing colorful looks, pack, then blend, pack and blend. I did this about 3 times until I got to the opacity that I wanted. I'm taking this dark navy blue on my crease brush. This is from the House of Tara Iza palette, and this is going directly into my crease. Then I'm going to blend out the navy blue with some of the first blue that we used. And then I'm going to go back with the first brush, that we used, the brown eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be taking some black, and this is really to define the cut creaseness more. I found that adding black, especially to where you cut the crease, really makes the cut crease really stand out. So after applying the black eyeshadow, I'm going to go back in with the navy eyeshadow, the brush that we used to blend out the black. Now it is time to cut the crease. I'm going to be using my flat edge brush from Sephora and some concealer to do a half cut crease. I'm very proud of myself and my cut crease abilities because I remember when I first started I did shit, but now I'm really good at doing my favorite half cut crease. The eyeshadow I'm going to be using, this beautiful blue shadow, is from the House of Tara Queen Amina 2 palette, and it's called Zaria. It is such a beautiful blue eyeshadow, and that palette just inspires me to play with color. I'm gonna do a sunset look. I'm gonna try and do a sunset look, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. But today we're all about the blue, so this is the blue look I created using the Zaria shadow on my eye. Now I'm gonna go back in with that blue, navy blue shadow to blend out where the cut crease ends into the other eye. You have to blend that area right there so that it doesn't just look like a straight line. I'm doing my liner, and I'm using the Yanga Beauty Carbon Black liquid liner to draw just a really simple wing, nothing too fancy or anything. Then for mascara, I am first going to be applying the Maybelline Colossal Express Smoky Eyes mascara. Then I'm going to layer it on with the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara. The Monsieur Big mascara is one of my favorite mascaras of all time. Now moving on to my face, I'm going to be using the Black Opal True Color Perfecting Primer. I really like this primer because it's an illuminating glowy primer. It just makes my skin look very, very, very nice and very hydrated and illuminated. Then to set that, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. I do this so that it helps to control my oil, and it keeps my face matte longer, and it kind of helps with oil control. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Glam Beauty Velvet Matte Foundation. Basically one of my favorite foundations. I love this foundation because it's affordable. It's just 2,000 naira or 2,500 depending on where you get it. And also it blends like a dream. I really like this foundation. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 45. I think that's the shade I used. I'm going to be concealing under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, and then put a little bit of that on the chin as well. And then I'm going to blend it out using the same brush I used to apply my foundation. I really like doing this because it makes the concealer blend seamlessly into the skin. Oh, I also, at the end of whenever I blend out under my eyes, I always add like to the side of my nose and on my lips. It just helps. I feel like it looks better this way. To set that, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Luxury Powder in the shade Banana. This used to be my baking powder, but now I want to use it just for setting, and it seems to be working really well just as a setting powder and not a baking powder. I really like it. To contour, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. contour kit, and I'm going to go into the darkest shade, and with my angled double Lotion brush, I'm going to contour my cheekbones and my forehead. Then to highlight, I'm also going to be using the e.l.f. contour highlight and contour palette, and I'm going to highlight my cheekbones, my nose, a little bit on my forehead. I don't know if I show that, but I'm highlighting my chin, my nose, a little bit of my forehead, you know, just glowing to the gods. Then going into the Queen Supreme palette from MAC, I'm taking the highlight shade there, and I'm only applying that to my cheekbones. I wanted the cheekbones to be a little bit icy to kind of match the silver tone of the look. Now to set my entire face and also to bring down the makeup, I'm going to be taking my loose finishing powder. I'm going to be setting the areas I didn't apply any powders and also blending in the rest of my makeup. Then to finish my eyes, I'm going to be using the Lancome eyeliner, and I'm first going to apply that to my waterline and also to that lash line as well. Then I'm going to go in with this bullet brush and that navy blue shade, and I'm going to stamp the navy blue right on my lash line. Then I'm going to blend it out using the first blue shade that we used, that Glam Girl shade, and I'm taking a small brush and I'm blending out the bottom eye. I like doing this thing because it allows everything, the top and the bottom, to match. Then to add a little bit of pizzazz, I'm going into this silver shade from the MAC Queen Supreme palette, and I'm applying this as an inner corner highlight. I think this is what really takes the eye look from cool to wow, that's fine. That's a fine look. Then I'm finishing it off with some Monsieur Big mascara on my lower lash line. For the lips, I'm using a brown lip liner to fill in my lips. And as for lipstick, I'm using the Maybelline, this is the Super Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lover. It's my favorite pink liquid lipstick because it just matches me so well. It matches, it's like the perfect pink for dark skin girls. I really like it. Finishing off this whole entire face of makeup with the Maybelline Super Stay setting spray, and yeah, that is it, guys. That is this whole entire look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry that the video wasn't, you know, I don't like how I'm doing this video, but hey, you guys wanted it, so I'm doing it for you guys. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Omagamer YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel. And do not forget to be awesome. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.